Here is a step-by-step guide for using Online Image Editor to create various screen images for your mobile app. OnlineImageEditor.com is free and easy to use. Just follow these steps to create great-looking screen images. Begin by selecting an image that you have on your computer. Notice you're in the Basics stage. Click the Resize button to shrink the image down to a usable space. To do so, drag the upper left corner of the image down and to the right. Next, use the Crop button to create a good fit for an Android phone or iOS phone or iPad. A thin red outline will appear on the image. When the image area is set to where you want it, click the Apply button. You now have an image that can be used as both a home screen and an inner screen background. Click Save to download the image onto your computer, like this one for an iPhone. It's ready to be used on the MadLearn platform. To transform this image into a splash screen, open the Advanced phase by clicking the tab and selecting Overlay Image and clicking the Browse button. Find the logo you created previously and select it. Once you see the file name after the Browse button, click Upload. Your logo will need to be resized and positioned. Use the slider to adjust the size, then click and drag it to reposition it to where you want it. Lastly, click the Save button. Then upload the new image onto your computer. One note, you may want to adjust the dimensions depending on which device it will be used on. Follow the earlier steps to make the necessary adjustments. Once the images are on your computer, they're ready to be brought into the platform. That's all there is to it.